NFTs have grown in popularity in recent years, with the market reaching a $40 billion valuation in 2021 and continuing to grow in 2022. Choose a reputable and cost-effective platform, as well as the best NFT marketplace for your investment needs, if you want to get involved in the NFT market. What is NFT Marketplace? NFT marketplaces, in a nutshell, are online platforms where NFTs can be bought, sold, or minted. They are your first port of call for where to buy NFTs or trade them. NFT marketplaces can be compared to large online stores where users can browse and buy a variety of items for sale. Because NFTs are stored on the blockchain, the vast majority of NFT marketplaces will require users to have a crypto wallet in order to store NFTs after purchase. In this guide, we'll be reviewing the top NFT platforms in the space. There are numerous top NFT platforms to choose from, each with its own set of features and fee structure. Ethereum Marketplaces. These marketplaces are based on the Ethereum blockchain and offer digital assets in the form of ETH. OpenC, the largest Ethereum marketplace at the moment, was recently estimated to be worth a whopping $13.3 billion. Solana NFT Marketplaces. The Solana NFT marketplaces run on the Solana blockchain, which is a faster alternative to Ethereum. Furthermore, Solana is highly scalable, which allows for lower network fees. At the moment, there aren't many significant marketplaces hosted on Solana, with Solana, Magic Eden, and SolC being the three largest. OpenC. For good reason, OpenC is unquestionably the most popular place to trade your NFT. Every type of NFT imaginable is supported by the market. From music and collectibles to sports NFTs and trading cards, as well as domain names, OpenC is your gateway to limitless NFT trading. OpenC is where you can purchase NFT arts and collections such as famous Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunks. OpenC, the largest NFT marketplace, is also the first to offer cross-blockchain support with a gas-free marketplace on the Polygon blockchain. It is also one of the most liquid NFT markets. NFT marketplace with popular art pieces is called Nifty Gateway. It has a lot of eye-catching NFTs, some of which sell for quite reasonable prices. If you've heard of PAX the Merge, also known as the most expensive NFT to date, Nifty Gateway is the marketplace where it was sold. Superair. Superair is the ultimate NFT marketplace for all creative spirits. It is one of the few markets with an art gallery-like interface that will make you feel as if you are strolling through the display rooms of a renowned gallery. The art is also excellent, so you should definitely visit the Superair marketplace. Wearable. Wearable, as the name suggests, is the best marketplace for rare NFTs, but it also has a large selection of popular sports collections. Though the market is full of one-of-a-kind single art pieces, it is most well known for its sports, gaming, and media brand collections. Binance NFT Marketplace. Binance NFT is the most recent addition to the Binance cryptocurrency exchange platform. The exchange offers market trades, derivatives, cryptocurrency exchange, and earning, with the NFT marketplace as an exciting new option. The marketplace contains a wide range of different NFTs, but IGOs are unquestionably the most popular. Cryptocom, this popular NFT marketplace is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, with over 10 million users. Cryptocom, in addition to its popular crypto trading services, has recently launched its own NFT marketplace. Thank you for your time, and if you would like to know more about cryptocurrency, don't forget to subscribe for daily videos.